Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you this is in a light. It's an under cabinet light. I guess that's the model number on there, but it's should be able to be plugged into work, or I think you can also hardwire it in. I think I'm going to end up hardwiring it in eventually, but plug it into, just give it a test. But let's just check it out and see what it looks like and all the different parts and pieces that it comes with. So let's get everything out of here. I think that's it. Box is empty. So it comes with, we have the device. So this is the light here. And we have a couple of switches, I guess, on here for the different settings and on, off, and brightness. So we'll show you that in a second. We have the mounting bracket pieces here. So you can mount it a few different ways. You can screw it in, or you could use like the double-sided tape. So we have here like the double-sided tape. So we could, the little foam tape, or mounting it in. This is actually the connector to connect several together. I think if we wanted to connect one to another, it would go like this. So we would plug it in, it's got that kind of connector like that. You plug one to one side, and then you can have another side coming out. So you can chain them all together. So that's kind of cool, but I just have a single one at the moment, so I don't think I'm gonna need that. And then we have the plug. So that's what's cool about these, is you can make several of them. In the cabinets already, we have, this is just an extra one. In the cabinets already, we have them set up with two and two everywhere. So this is the plug here. So I'm gonna plug this in and show you how it works. So you can just see it just plugs 110 and 2-prong, and then it's got one of those 2-prong plugs. And I think my little power bank here is gonna work. So, and there it is, it's on. So we have that level. This is the number 2 brightness. That's the number 1 brightness. And I will tell you, it's hard to tell, I'm sure, on a video, but it is brighter. And then let's turn it back on to the number 2, and then we have the different color tones of white. So we can go from, like, I don't know what they call, like a crystal white or something like that, to a warm white, kind of yellower, a little less yellow, and almost no yellow at all. So depending on how you like it, we always leave it at this one here, just because we like it just white light. But that's kind of it there. It's pretty cool. And the way you can screw it in, you can have it, with the stickers, or like us, we put the screws, you can put screws through. I don't know if you can see all the way through. You can see there's a hole in the back. There's 2 holes in the back. So you can screw up all the way through and screw it into your cabinet, so it'll be more permanent. And if you didn't want to use this plug here, we've had it where we've cut the cord and wired it directly into the box. So you can do it that way as well. So super cool, super nice, and very convenient, and it looks really good. And the way we kind of have them up in there, you don't really see it anyways, but we have it facing this way, so this is what you see on the outside. So if you did look, you would see a little strip there, not the whole big strip. But works for us, and very nice looking lights, and I like it. So thumbs up from me on these under cabinet lights. The link is in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.